Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making this massive baseball bat mallet with epoxy that glows in the dark. We'll be using an old T-ball baseball bat that I've had hanging around for a while now. It's time to use it up and make a mallet out of it. Already got the tenon marked out where I want to cut it out. I'm going to be using a bandsaw to make the cuts. Just checking how long I want the mallet head to be. I'm thinking 9 inches with 4.5 being the center. The bigger the better. Just cutting out all the pieces before I start gluing them together. Glue up is going to be done in phases, so I'm doing the first phase here. I'm going to glue it up, clamp it up, wait for it to dry before we move on to the second part of the gluing. Deliberately made the center part of the mallet smaller, and you'll see later on the reason is for the epoxy. I'm going to pour it in the center of the mallet. So this piece is going to be on the outside of the mallet. I'm just finding the center of it and then going to route it out, and then I'm going to use that to display my logo. I'm using 2-part epoxy here with mica glow powder. The mica glow powder gets charged with UV light and then glows in the dark. Let the first layer dry, and then before you do any other embellishments or anything else you want to do, here I'm using my logo, and then we'll fill it up with another layer of epoxy. So I'm just taping up the center section of the mallet and ready for pouring in the epoxy, and I'm going to be using a different color epoxy for the center of the mallet. going to be putting a slight curve on the top of the mallet head, and to help with that I'm going to use a paper template and then take it to the bend saw. Off camera I sanded down the mallet head, and now I'm going to put a chamfer on every side of the mallet head. If you are enjoying watching this video, then think about subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already, as well as leaving a like and a comment. That would help as well. Small channels like ours really appreciate all the support we get. It helps us produce content like this on a regular basis.